Hello friend, welcome back to my humble YouTube channel. In past I made a video about a hot spring spa which was my friends, and it was about the troubleshooting and replacing problem with the circulating pump. That video is very popular, so I decided to make more for you. And this is our own spa. It's a hot spring, and to my understanding it's one of the oldest ones ever, if I can use this term, right? Look at these controls, right? This is really old. It's a classic and it's a Model E, so this is an old spa. To us it's new, right? I brought it home today and I wanna have it ready for the wife, and that's what you see in the title. I will be performing that Spa Purge. Now if you read the instructions on that Spa Purge, you know that I will be removing the filter, which is right there. But I won't remove the filter without having so much mess, right? Or with having so much mess inside. So I will use this screen here, right, a net, and I will first catch all that crap and remove it from the spa. Right, those, in my case, these are the needles from some pine tree. I don't want these things going through the pump, right, circulate through the whole system. So most of the particles are gone. So, as we said, instructions clearly calls for removing this filter. And that filter is not being just removed and put on the side to dry out. No, it's going immediately in the 10-gallon bucket here. And there will be whole procedure how to clean that filter, and you can see that in different video. For that I like to use this product, but as I said, it will be in different video on this channel. So how you apply this Spa Purge? You obviously open the whole product and you make sure that your spa jets are running, right? And while my main motor is running, right, I will pour this Spa Purge inside. It's a brown liquid, as you can see, right? And this is where the magic starts. I can do this. Now if you follow the directions, right, if you look at it, it says run the jets for a minimum of 5 minutes. If the foaming becomes excessive, turn jets off. Some foaming is expected during the purge process. You can see with me, in my case, the foaming is minimal. I'm assuming it's because or due to the fact that the spa was really in good shape and really clean inside. And after running jets at least for 5 minutes, you will shut them off, maintain the temperature of 95 Fahrenheit and let it sit overnight. After that, you normally drain the spa, fill it with the new water, and you continue with your regular maintenance. Well, that's it. Very simple, right? Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day, my friend.